Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa elements, sign ng Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Lola Baby. Nagpapakilala, isang like, shares, and subscribes lang po. Bibigyan ko kayo ng reading sa mga natitirang araw-linggo ng buwan ng July. This is not a personal, general reading po ito, okay? If you want a private reading, feel free to email Lola Baby, okay? So, agipin natin ang inyong tinatawag na energy, kung kaninong energy ang makukuha ng Lola, okay? Salamat ng marami. Ito may kinalaman sa tinatawag your past, present, and future. So, lalabas ba dito ang inyong past or your present and for your future, okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the King of Pentacles. Yan, ha? Ano ito? It's like you are pacing, okay? Pinaghahandaan, pinag-uukulan, okay? It's like kanino mo ito bibigay, i-donate, di ba? Ireregalo itong tinatawag na pentacles na hawak-hawak ninyo, okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Eight of Pentacles, okay? So, ibig sabihin niyan, yung tinatawag na maybe for some of you, you are looking for a job. For some of you, it's about what you are capable of, okay? Sharing, giving, okay? It's like a help. Maybe you want to give a help to, sabihin na natin, maybe you're a public servant, di ba? Maybe you're a blogger, okay? Ano man niya, it's like tinatawag you want to commit yourself, di ba? Halimbawa, sa pagtulong, sa pagmamahal, sa pag-aalaga, di ba? Or you want to, gusto mong tinatawag na mag-adventure, okay? Mag-adventure, it's like you have a passion, di ba? Maaring gusto mong mag-aral ng singing voice, di ba? Voice, ma-develop lalo yung lumabas yung tinatawag na magandang boses, okay? Or maybe you want to invest on enrolling in a dancing lesson, di ba? Maybe you want to invest, sabihin na nating, sa isang, it's about your passion, di ba? Maybe you want to buy ingredients, gagawa ka ng tinatawag na pancake, cupcake, something like that, di ba? So for some of you here is tinatawag na something is attracting you, di ba? Yan, kasi dito sa the Eight of Pentacles, okay? Something is attracting you, okay? You want to, tinatawag na diyan nyo i-focus, okay? Ilagay ang inyong energy, your attention, di ba? Your time. So, narito ang tinatawag na the Eight of Swords, di ba? The Eight of Swords has something to do about femininity, attractiveness, sex appeals, masculinity, di ba? Yan. Maybe for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, you are ready na for a love relationship. Maybe for some of you, you are ready na for this, ano tawag dito, interaction, di ba? Commitments, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, you are ready na, okay? For a new project, di ba? Maybe social media, podcast. Maybe you want to open a podcast, social media, okay? Something. Or you want to open yourself, okay, to the world. Yan, ha? Okay. So, narito ang tinatawag na the Five of Pentacles, di ba? It's like tinatawag promoting yourself, promoting your attractiveness, di ba? Maybe you have an online store. Maybe you are selling perfumes. Ano pa? Let's say sabihin natin women's accessories, di ba? Like blouses, headbands, shoes, di ba, for women, di ba? Or sabihin na natin, you are promoting your podcast, di ba? Podcast, ano tawag dito? Station, di ba? Or sabihin na natin, tinatawag na you are ready, okay? To show to the world kung ano itong tinatawag you are capable of, okay? Yan, it's like you're no longer shy, di ba? Yan, you're not shy, di ba? You want to you want to mingle, you want to associate, di ba? It's like talking to people, talking to new people, make new friends, di ba? Okay? So, nakikita ko dito, you are surrounded by people with all races, with all kinds of races, di ba? They speak many languages. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Three of Pentacles, you and them, di ba? Okay? Yan, no? It's like sabihin na nating ikaw yung, halimbawa, sabihin na natin, ikaw ang architect, di ba? So, kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na, it's like you are working with your colleagues, di ba? You are working, para-pareho lang kayo, di ba? Tinatawag na meron ditong interaction, good interaction, di ba? Narito yung tinatawag na harmony, okay? Relationship. Mind, yung tinatawag nagpapangita ang inyong minds, di ba? Yan. So it's like tinatawag na if there is a project, a plan, nakikita dito yung kanilang tinatawag participation, di ba? Their ideas, di ba? It's like iisa lang ang inyong pag-iisip, di ba? It's like pare-pareho lang kayong nag-grow, di ba? It's for your own good, maybe for your company, for your store, di ba? For your social media, podcast, di ba? Okay? It's like tinatawag sila ang nag-feed ng information. Maybe ikaw yung tinatawag na the editor, di ba? Kumbaga dito, ganito ang gusto kong sabihin natin na thumbnails, di ba? Titles, okay? So ito ang tinatawag, ilan ba ito? 2, 4, 6, 8, okay? Very disgusting. Okay? The result is very disgusting. Yan. Sa tinatawag na the Ace of Swords. It's like you work very, very hard. You work very, very hard. You give all your efforts, time, di ba? Your love, di ba? Yan, no? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, binigay mo ng lahat, pero nakita dito, very, very disgusting the result, di ba? It's like sabihin na natin may mga kasama ka na. It's like sila ang tumulong sa iyo, 'di ba? Para lalo itong gumanda. It's like sinasabing 10 heads are better than 1 head. Pero the result is very, very disgusting. Okay? Maybe it has something to do about social media. Maybe you're a blogger, 'di ba? Maybe at work, 'di ba? Maybe sabihin na nating may mga project, 'di ba? Kumbaga dito may mga kasama kang group of people, mga associates. Maybe it has something to do about associates, 'di ba? Very, very disgusting. Narito yung tinatawag na frustrations, disappointments. Tingnan natin ang the 8 of Swords, okay? So, the 8 of Swords has something to do about sa tinatawag na the 9 of Cups. Yan, ha? Okay. So, ibig sabihin ito yung tinatawag na ending of a cycle, ending of a ano tawag dito? Ending of a relationship, di ba? So, you want a new beginning. Whatever is this. It's like tinatawag, I want a new an office, I want a new room, di ba? I want a new kitchen, di ba? Yan. So, whatever is this. It's like tinatawag, is not giving you happiness, okay? Boring na. So, you want, sabihin natin, baka gusto mong papintahan ng bahay mo, di ba? Baka gusto mong tinatawag na magtanim, something like that, di ba? Okay? Magtanim ng mga halaman around your house, di ba? Kumbaga dito gusto mong mabago the atmosphere, the environment, the surroundings, okay? Maybe it has something to do about your house or the people you are in, okay? The circle of friends, di ba? Maybe your social media, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, maybe you will upgrade it, okay? Or babaguhin mo lahat-lahat dahil narito ang tinatawag na the 9 of Cups, di ba? So, it's the end of a cycle. It's not maybe a marriage or a romance relationship, di ba? Yan. The 5 of Pentacles, di ba? And the Hangman, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na, okay, kabigatan. You want to release, okay? Releasing. Maybe ito yung tinatawag na you are experiencing heaviness, okay? Mentally, physically, spiritually, and you want to release it, okay? All of it. It's like tinatawag na I want to breathe a new air, di ba? Masyadong suffocated, maring you're suffocated na kayo, di ba? Sa tinatawag na buhay ninyo. And you want to release it. It's more about relaxation, okay? It's more about freeing yourself from the hustle and bustles of the city, of the tinatawag surroundings, di ba? So it's more about releasing, undoing, okay? Yan. Maybe that's some maaring dito yung tinatawag, you will do calisthenics, a yoga, an exercise, a breathing technique, okay? Tinatawag na sabihin na natin a Zumba maybe, di ba? Para lang maalis yung tinatawag na toxic within your system, okay? Undoing, okay? So tingnan natin itong the 3 of Pentacles, yan, ha? A joker, okay? Ibig sabihin ito mapagbiro. It's like mapagbirong tadhana, mapagbirong mensahe, okay? Meron dito, it's like bibiruin ka ng tadhana. It's like hindi mo inakala, di ba? So maaring dito sabihin na natin hindi mo inakala na ito ay magkakaroon ng success, okay? Kumbaga bibiruin ka ng tadhana. Lumabas ang the joker is in a upright position, okay? So it seems very, very good, okay? Yan. Itong birong ito is hindi negative, okay? Nakikita ko very positive, okay? Yan. It's like, parang nasa isip mo, parang biniro, ano ito? Binibiro ba ako na tadhana? Totoo ba ito? It's like, you are in a hang position. It's like, nangangarap ba ako? Nangangarap, kurutin mo nga ako, nangangarap ba ako? No. Yan, no? Diba? So, tingnan natin ang the Ace of Swords, diba? Lumabas dito ang tinatawag na the King of Clubs, diba? So, whatever is this, diba? It's like tinatawag na a new romance, okay? And it has something to do about single, if maybe sabihin natin single ka, diba? A new romance, okay? Your Romeo, your Juliet is coming. Yan, no? Manifesting, okay? If it's about work, it's about gains, di ba? Kasi narito ang tinatawag na the 8 of Pentacles, okay? It's like dito makaka-recover, okay? Makaka-recover. Blessings is on the way, okay? Makaka-recover or you have to continue, okay? It's like tinatawag, sige, continue ka lang and magkakaroon ito ng tinatawag na rewards, yan, no? Yeah? Kaya kinonfirm ng tinatawag na the King of Spades of Clubs. Tingnan natin the 9 of Cups, di ba? Mm-hmm. So, narito ang tinatawag na the 7, okay? The 7 of Clubs, yan, ha? Mm-hmm. So, whatever is this, di ba? Okay? It's like tinatawag home. You're at home, okay? You're at home sa sarili, At home ka sa iyong skin, di ba? Sa iyong body, you're at home with your body, di ba? At home ka sa kung ano ang nilalagay mo sa katawan mo. Maybe you're a vegan, at home ka sa kinakain mo, at home ka sa ginagawa mo, at home ka sa bahay mo, di ba? Ine-enjoy mo every piece of the furniture, every yung tinatawag katahimikan, di ba? Yan. At home, yan. For some of you, maybe ito yung tinatawag undoing, giving yourself, tinatawag maaari ito beauty rest, di ba? Excuse me. So, ano ito? Okay? Yan ha. So, there is a very, very big transformation is going to happen. Okay? Since na dumating ang tinatawag na the seven of wands, di ba? So, it's more about, ang nakikita ko sa inyo is, you will be very, very kind to yourself, di ba? Okay? Giving yourself a freedom to relax. Okay? Yan, no? Kaya dito at home kayo. Okay? A freedom to do what you want, di ba? It's like, sabihin natin, ay, walang tao ang bahay. Solo ko ang bahay. So, dito, ha? It's more about yourself, di ba? Okay? It's like tinatawag pampering yourself. You will pamper yourself. Kaya siguro lumabas itong, okay? The Hangman, okay? Pampering yourself. It's more about yourself, di ba? Maybe giving yourself a good massage, going to the sauna, okay? Drink Blue Hawaii, di ba? Yan, no? It's more about tinatawag na pampering yourself, spoiling yourself, spoiled yourself, okay? Yan. Whatever is this, kasi nakikita ko dito, it's like unexpected, di ba? So maybe ito yung tinatawag, you are preparing, handa ka na, you are preparing this, okay? Para ito is tinatawag na matikman mo, savor it, di ba? Okay? So narito ang tinatawag na the two, okay? The two of, ano ba ito? Spades, di ba? Okay. So, the two of spades has something to do about your body, about your face, di ba? About your, it's more about yourself, okay? Yan. So, nakikita ko dito is tinatawag na more time for yourself, di ba? Connecting. Ko-connect ka sa sarili mo, di ba? Yan. Maybe your body needs a lot of rest, di ba? Maybe tinatawag na your body needs a lot of moisturizer, di ba? Need a lot of water, di ba? So it's more about yourself, okay? Yan. It's like, kasi narito yung tinatawag na the eight of swords, di ba? So it's more about yin and yang, okay? The yin and your yin and yang, masculine, feminine, di ba? Yan. It's like the devil and the angels. So maaring dito masyado kang exhausted, and your angel is calling you to be more kind to yourself, di ba? Love yourself, nurture yourself, okay? So, the Joker means, yan, no? Ibig sabihin nito, okay? There is a time for, it's like tinatawag, something big, okay? To celebrate, to announce, okay? Publicly, with your friends, di ba? Okay? Dito sa tinatawag na the Three of Cups, di ba? Maybe sabihin na natin, hindi mo akalain, natagpuan mo ang iyong soulmate. Maybe love romance, di ba? Maybe trabaho, maybe yung mga kakulab mo, di ba? Maybe yung tinatawag na sponsors, di ba? It has something to do about tinatawag the Three of Pentacles, di ba? Yan. So there is as tinatawag, let's toast for a champagne. Okay, a champagne toast. Yan, ha? So hindi nyo akalain. It's like a joke. A joke, okay? So, tingnan natin itong the King of Clubs. Okay. So, dalawa lang ang pwede kong sabihin dito, if this is your energy or others' energy, okay? So, kung ito yung tinatawag na you, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag may kalungkutan yan, no? Di ba? Maaring, for some of you, tinatawag na damang-dama mo ang kalungkutan, damang-dama mo ang pighati, di ba? Kumbaga dito lunod na lunod ka na, 'di ba? You want help, 'di ba? Or kung baga dito siguro merong hindi mo na napapansin, okay? Yung iba. It's like tinatawag na it's about your sensitivity, okay? Nagiging numb, you're very very numb. It's like tulong ka ng tulong, there is no tinatawag na outcome. It's like you give, and there is no return. Kaya dito, ibig sabihin, dinadadma mo na lang. Diba? Dinadadma. It's like tinatawag, save yourself. I have enough. Diba? So kung kaya dito, kaya meron ditong 2 tasa, it means to say, ayaw mo itong isugal. Okay? Dahil kasi, ito na lang ang natitira mong kaunting kaligayahan. It's like the peace of your soul. Okay? Kumbaga yung soul mo, from here to here, masyado ng toxic, di ba? Masyado nang nagdadalamhati. Kumbaga dito, may kaunti ka pa namang natitira. It's like reservation of happiness. You don't want to. Ayaw mo nang isugal, di ba? Kaya dito, ayaw mong lulusong sa tubig para isalba siya, di ba? It's like tinatawag, help yourself, di ba? Okay? So kung kaya dito, meron ditong tinatawag the Ace of Swords, di ba? Okay? Pwedeng ito ay iyong energy or energy of them na kilala mo. Okay? So, the 7 of clubs. Okay? Okay. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na 7 of clubs to the 4 of cups. Di ba? Ito yung tinatawag na you have no appetite, 'di ba? It's like I don't want to dance, I don't want to sing, 'di ba? Yan, no. Dito ina-express, ha. So ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na ano ka na, okay? Hindi mo, it's like ayaw mo na silang kasama, 'di ba? Ayaw mo na silang makita, 'di ba? If it is your passion, if it is your work, a love relationship, a marriage, a romance, whatever, di ba? Dito nakikita yung tinatawag, wala ka ng gana, hindi ka na interesado sa kanila makinig, hindi ka na interesado sa kanila makipag-istoryahan, di ba? There is no more tinatawag na vibes, no more vibes, okay? It's like, ayaw mo na itong trabahong ito, ayaw mo na siyang gawin, if it is your creativity, passion, or gifts, ayaw mo na. Ayaw mo siyang tinatawag na, halimbawa, knitting, di ba? Nakikita mo yung knitting mo, di ba? Pero ayaw mo na siyang hawakan. It's like, ay, wala na akong gana, di ba? So, dito, tinatawag the two of spades to the 8 of swords, di ba? Meaning to say, a freedom. Palalayain ka na. If you are tinatawag naka-tie up, it's like para ka ikinadena dito. It's like tinatawag ginawa ka ng alipin. It's like sabihin natin wala ka nang ginawa kundi maghapon, magluto, maglaba, wala ka ng pahinga, wala ka ng holiday, wala kang bakasyon, di ka makapanood ng sine. So, manifesting, okay? Manifesting na hindi palaging lahat ng oras. Maybe it's from the past to the present, di ba? Magkakaroon na ng tinatawag kaginhawahan, okay? So, ibig sabihin ito yung tinatawag na magagamit mo na ito. Kung ano itong mga natirang ito, pwede ka ditong magsimula uli, di ba? It's like about your passion, okay? About your gifts, di ba? About love, maybe meron ka pang kaunting pag-ibig, pwede mo itong gamitin. Pwede mo itong ibigay, i-offer. Dahil dito nakikita yung tinatawag paglaya mo. Lalaya ka na. It's like heart and soul and mind. Hindi ka na mapapatali dito. Diba? Yan. It's like tinatawag na, yan no, it's like a new tribe. Matatagpuan mo na ang mga taong hindi magpapahirap sa iyo, hindi magpapalungkot sa iyo, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, it's like you're dreaming. It's like you will say, am I dreaming or is this real? Kaya narito ang Joker and the Hangman, di ba? It's like hindi mo aakalaing, ito pala'y mararanasan ko rin, di ba? Ito pala is tinatawag na, ako pala is entitled din dito, no? Meron pala akong puwang para dito, di ba? It's not, hindi naman ako ipinanganak na talagang kailangan kong whole my life mag-suffer.